You hear that clunk? There it is.
What do you got? What do you got?
Boy, Ben.
Pick it up and throw it for him then.
I don't know if he's going to bring it back up here. Okay, ready, bud? Here we go. Okay, get down there. Get down there. Here it goes, Ben.
Oh, you weren't even watching.
It's out there.
Go get it. It's out there.
Okay, ready?
Chloe's ready.
Get it, Ben.
Go get it. Oh, yeah. You.
Ben, back. That's it. Pick it up right there. There it is. Get it, Ben. Get it. Yeah. Bring it up here. Come on. Come on. Bring it up here. Come here. Bring it here. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Bring it. Y'all just bring it. Come on. Bring it up here. And then you can go down and get a different one. I don't care. Bring that up here. I think
You want
it's
the
bone.
white one.
I might be wrong, but it's after. Come on. Yahoo! Come on.
Making his
Come on,
own
bud.
switchback.
Come on, bud. Come on, bud.
You don't want to shake. You want to shake so bad.
Clunk.
Yep. I just want to shake.
Come on, Ben. That's a boy. All right.
There, he's nice.
Ah, yay!
Right.
You want to do it again?
I'm not using that. Go down and get your own. Go down and get another rock.
What are
Go
you
on down
talking
there.
about? What do you look at that look? What do you mean go get my own? That is mine.
Go get another different one. Go on down and get a different. You gonna go swimming?
There's no
Let's
big
go.
ones
Let's go
down
swimming.
there.
Come on, let's
Want to go swimming?
Come on, let's go swimming. Come on. Nope, 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 nope. Come on, let's go swimming.